It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 15th day of September. I'm James Spann. It's been a cloudy and wet day for much of the state today. The heaviest rain down across the southern counties of Alabama. Let's check the upper air look, and we have broad troughing in the upper atmosphere. That's the remnant circulation of Nicholas here across the deep south, and accordingly a lot of clouds. Maybe a little sun for the northwestern corner of the state, and that's about it. It's been an overcast day and a wet day for much of the state. That was the radar. A little before 2:30, the most widespread rain across the southern half of the state, and some really heavy rain falling down over Mobile and Baldwin counties today. Temperatures going nowhere, most locations in the 70s at mid-afternoon. A flash flood watch in effect for Washington, Escambia, Mobile, and Baldwin counties in southwest Alabama. Also for parts of the Florida Panhandle, South Mississippi, and South Louisiana, and flash flood warnings in effect for the southern part of Mobile and Baldwin counties. Around the rest of the nation, flash flood watches north of the state, parts of Tennessee and Kentucky, and severe thunderstorm watches in effect for the northeast United States. That's where risk of severe storms will continue through tonight. Also down to the south, a marginal risk on the Gulf Coast, including the southwestern corner of Alabama. That's for the potential of a few brief isolated tornadoes. So far, that has not happened, but we'll keep a close eye on the radar just in case. For the rest of the state, no chance of any severe weather. Tomorrow, a risk well to the north around Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska. And day 3, which is Friday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The Pacific Northwest, very wet. And as you look at this, keep in mind this counts the rain we've had today. Mobile, over 5 inches. Montgomery, about 3. Birmingham, about 1.5 inches. Huntsville, about 1 inch between now and Wednesday morning of next week. So in the tropics, Nicholas has fizzled, dissipated. 2 waves to watch. We have one that's northeast of the Bahamas, one that is in the eastern Atlantic. The feature northeast of the Bahamas will likely develop and turn northeast out to sea, not affecting the United States. Models keep this most likely as a tropical storm on the journey north, but again, no impact to the U.S. directly. And the system out in the East Atlantic, that's Invest 95L. Again, evidence that this thing is going to be gaining latitude, turning northward before reaching the Leeward Islands. So most likely this will be a recurving system, not affecting the United States. And most of the intensity guidance does bring this up to a hurricane in about 96 hours. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, the main mid-latitude westerlies to the north. And for us, the heights are coming up a little bit. So tomorrow, a lot of clouds around, a few showers, but probably not as widespread as today. And again, like today, temperatures will likely hold in the 70s because of the lack of sunshine. This is Friday. More clouds than sun, scattered showers. Although evidence the air could be a little drier over the northeastern part of the state Friday. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting wet tomorrow and Friday in the 40 to 50% bracket for the northern half of the state. The high Friday close to 80. Saturday as the weekend begins. Again, a muggy air mass in place. And the models kind of waffle back and forth on an intrusion of drier air for the northeastern part of the state. This is suggesting most of the state will have a few showers around Saturday, maybe some thunder, but it's not going to rain all day. We'll check the European for Saturday just for consistency's sake, and it's pretty similar. So, again, Saturday, a lot of clouds, few showers around, maybe some thunder, the high close to 80. This is Sunday, same thing. We'll stick with the European. It's not going to rain all day, but a few showers are likely, a lot of clouds, highs around 80. Monday, no change, moist air scattered to numerous showers and storms. Same thing Tuesday of next week, and this is a week from today, Wednesday the 22nd. Got an upper low that's around Duluth, Minnesota, north of the state, for pushing a cold front down this way. And again, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, September 25th. Got a deep upper low over the Four Corners back in the southwest United States. Ridging here, that looks quiet. And a tropical system northeast of the Bahamas. Most likely that's Invest 95L that should be recurving. Again, a pretty good chance that's going to miss the United States. Not totally carved in stone, but a pretty good chance. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 1st of October. Highs mostly low 80s. Lows in the 60s for the most part for the next 10 days. And the latest CPC guidance in-house. This is for September 22nd through September 28th. Suggesting temperatures here could be a bit above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.